Millions of Mars bars are produced daily, shipped to supermarkets, vending machines, and convenience stores across the globe. But have you ever wondered how they're made? In today's video, we'll take you through each step of the process, from sourcing premium ingredients to the final packaging. The Mars bar was introduced by Forrest Mars in 1932, and since then, it has become a global sensation. With its irresistible combination of soft nougat, smooth caramel, and rich milk chocolate, the Mars bar has cemented its place as one of the world's best-selling chocolate treats. But what exactly goes into crafting this confectionery masterpiece? The origins of the Mars bar stem from the vision of Forrest Mars Sr., who was inspired by his father's success with the Milky Way bar in the United States. His goal was to create a bar that combined elements of indulgence with a soft, chewy texture and a rich chocolate coating. The Mars bar quickly became a hit across the UK and eventually spread worldwide. Let's embark on a behind-the-scenes tour of the mega factory where every Mars bar is born, starting with the ingredients. Sourcing the ingredients. Every Mars bar starts with carefully sourced ingredients, each chosen for its superior quality and flavor. The list includes tons of sugar, skim milk, cocoa butter, corn syrup, palm oil, egg whites, and, of course, premium cocoa beans. These raw materials are the building blocks of the Mars bar, and they must meet strict quality standards before they are even allowed into the factory. The sourcing of ingredients is no small feat. Mars Inc. operates on a global scale, working with trusted suppliers around the world. Cocoa, the most critical ingredient, is sourced from regions like West Africa, where Mars has partnered with cocoa farmers to ensure sustainable farming practices. This includes fair wages, community support, and sustainable agricultural techniques. The cocoa beans are harvested, fermented, and dried before making their way to the Mars factory. It's not just about the cocoa, though. The palm oil used in Mars bars is sustainably sourced as well. Mars has made a commitment to use 100% certified sustainable palm oil in all its products. The sugar and dairy are sourced from suppliers that meet high standards for quality and sustainability. Mars's commitment to responsible sourcing plays a crucial role in their operations, ensuring that every Mars bar is made with care and ethical consideration. The role of cocoa in Mars bars. Let's take a deeper dive into one of the star ingredients, the cocoa beans. These beans are the foundation of the chocolate that coats each Mars bar. Mars works closely with cocoa farmers, often participating in initiatives that support better farming practices and the welfare of the farming communities. This includes educating farmers on sustainable agriculture and supporting them with resources to improve crop yields while reducing environmental impact. Cocoa beans have to be of the highest quality as they directly affect the flavor of the chocolate. Upon arrival at the factory, the beans are cleaned, roasted, and prepared for the chocolate-making process. The roasting process is critical. It's what gives chocolate its deep, complex flavor. Roasting the beans at precise temperatures unlocks the perfect balance of bitter and sweet notes that make Mars bars so irresistible. After roasting, the cocoa beans are ground to form cocoa liquor. This is where the chocolate magic begins. The cocoa liquor is then separated into two components, cocoa solids and cocoa butter. Both play essential roles in the creation of the Mars bar's smooth chocolate coating. The art of nougat creation. The first step in creating a Mars bar is making the nougat, a key layer that gives the bar its distinctive chewy texture. To craft this nougat, tons of sugar, corn syrup, milk, egg whites, and a pinch of salt are mixed together in a massive industrial mixer. This mixer is a marvel of engineering, capable of spinning at incredible speeds to whip the ingredients into a thick, airy consistency. Nougat is an art form in itself. The balance of ingredients, the mixing process, and the temperature must be precisely controlled to ensure the right texture. Egg whites are beaten into the mixture, creating the light, fluffy foundation of the Mars bar. Nougat plays a crucial role in the overall flavor profile and mouthfeel. Too dense, and the nougat would overpower the caramel. Too soft, and the bar would lack structure. The nougat mixture is heated just enough to activate the proteins in the egg whites and create the signature texture. After a few minutes of mixing, the nougat is poured onto cooling rollers, where it's stretched out into long, flat sheets. The sheets of nougat are then cooled to a specific temperature. Why? Cooling ensures that the nougat retains its light and chewy texture, preparing it for the next step in the process. After cooling, the nougat is ready for the next layer, caramel. The sweet glue of Mars bars. Caramel adds a rich, gooey sweetness that perfectly balances the chewy nougat and the smooth chocolate coating. The caramel used in Mars bars is crafted using a precise blend of sugar, milk, and butter, heated until the sugar reaches its caramelization point. This gives it a rich, golden color and a deep, sweet flavor. Creating caramel at this scale is an impressive feat of engineering and culinary science. The caramelization process must be closely monitored to ensure the sugar doesn't burn or crystallize. In Mars's factory, the caramel is made in large batches, carefully stirred to achieve a smooth, velvety texture. Once the caramel reaches the perfect consistency, it's cooled and spread over the nougat layer on a conveyor belt. The combination of nougat and caramel is what gives Mars bars their distinctive texture, allowing for a harmonious blend of soft and chewy with a slight crunch from the caramel, bringing the layers together. With the nougat and caramel layers prepared, it's time to combine them. On a long conveyor belt, the cooled nougat is layered with freshly made caramel. The caramel is spread evenly over the nougat, and the two layers are pressed together to form a solid, uniform slab. At this stage, the precision of the machinery is critical. Automated systems control the thickness of each layer, ensuring that every Mars bar is consistent in taste and texture. Quality control is paramount. Cameras and sensors monitor each slab as it moves along the production line, scanning for any irregularities. The combination of nougat and caramel creates a perfect balance of sweetness and chewiness, setting the stage for the final step, coating the bars in rich milk chocolate. The chocolate enrobing process. Next comes the enrobing process, where the nougat and caramel layers are coated in a thick, luxurious layer of milk chocolate. This is where the magic of the Mars bar truly comes together. But before we dive into the enrobing process, let's talk about how the chocolate is made. The chocolate used in Mars bars is produced in-house using cocoa liquor, cocoa butter, milk, and sugar. These ingredients are carefully blended to create the smooth, creamy milk chocolate that coats each bar. Mars employs a process called tempering to achieve the perfect chocolate texture. Tempering involves heating and cooling the chocolate to precise temperatures, ensuring that the cocoa butter crystallizes correctly. This gives the chocolate its glossy appearance and satisfying snap when you bite into it. Once tempered, the chocolate is ready to coat the bars. The nougat and caramel slabs are fed into the enrobing machine, where they are bathed in a continuous stream of melted chocolate. Every inch of the bar is coated in chocolate, sealing in the flavors of the nougat and caramel. Cooling and quality control. After being enrobed in chocolate, the bars are passed through a cooling tunnel. This step is crucial. It ensures that the chocolate hardens evenly and forms a crisp shell around the nougat and caramel. The temperature inside the cooling tunnel is carefully regulated to prevent the chocolate from cracking or dulling. As the bars travel through the cooling tunnel, they are constantly monitored by a series of cameras and sensors. These systems check each bar for consistency in size, shape, and chocolate coating. Any bar that doesn't meet the exact specifications is removed from the production line. The level of precision involved in this process is mind-boggling. Every bar must be identical, ensuring that whether you're eating a Mars bar in New York, London, or Tokyo, it tastes exactly the same. Signature swirl. A Mars bar icon. One of the most recognizable features of the Mars bar is the signature swirl on top. This iconic detail is added by a specialized machine that pipes a swirl of chocolate onto the top of each bar as it exits the cooling tunnel. It's a small but significant touch that adds to the visual appeal of the bar. The swirl is more than just a decoration. It's a symbol of the craftsmanship and attention to detail that goes into every Mars bar. Packaging the Mars bars. Once the bars have been coated, cooled, and swirled, they're ready to be packaged. High-speed wrapping machines wrap each bar in the iconic black and gold Mars wrapper, sealing in the freshness and ensuring the bars are ready for transport. Every package is checked for quality before the bars are boxed up and sent to warehouses around the world. The packaging process is highly automated, with machines working at incredible speeds to wrap and seal each bar. The wrappers are designed to be both functional and visually appealing, protecting the bars from moisture and air while also making them instantly recognizable on store shelves. Distribution and global reach. From the factory, the wrapped Mars bars begin their journey to supermarkets, vending machines, and convenience stores in over 100 countries. Mars Inc. operates a complex and efficient logistics network to ensure that every Mars bar arrives in perfect condition, no matter where in the world it's headed. The bars are transported in climate-controlled trucks and stored in warehouses to maintain their freshness. Whether you're in the US, Europe, or Asia, you can be sure that every Mars bar you unwrap has been handled with care from the moment it left the factory. The scale of Mars's global distribution is truly impressive, with millions of bars being shipped daily. This requires precise coordination between factories, warehouses, and retailers, ensuring that shelves are always stocked with fresh Mars bars. Mars's commitment to sustainability. Mars Inc. isn't just focused on creating delicious chocolate bars. They're also committed to sustainability. The company has made significant strides in reducing its carbon footprint and promoting environmental responsibility. This includes sourcing 100% sustainable cocoa, reducing water usage, and investing in renewable energy. Mars has committed to using sustainably sourced cocoa beans through programs like the Cocoa for Generations initiative. This program focuses on improving the livelihoods of cocoa farmers while promoting environmental sustainability. By partnering with farmers and communities, Mars helps to protect the future of cocoa farming and ensure that the chocolate industry remains sustainable for generations to come. In addition to their work with cocoa, Mars is also reducing its environmental impact through packaging innovations. The company is exploring ways to reduce plastic waste and increase the use of recyclable materials in its packaging. As we've seen, the Mars bar is much more than just a chocolate treat. It's a symbol of innovation, sustainability, and global reach. From its humble beginnings in 1932 to its position as a global favorite today, the Mars bar has continued to evolve while staying true to its original recipe. With a focus on sustainability and a commitment to producing high-quality products, Mars Inc. is well-positioned to continue delighting chocolate lovers around the world for years to come. Whether it's through innovations in production, packaging, or distribution, Mars is constantly finding new ways to improve its products and reduce its environmental impact. It's incredible to think about how much care, precision, and technology go into making each Mars bar. From the careful selection of ingredients to the exacting production process, every step is designed to create the perfect chocolate bar. The next time you unwrap a Mars bar, you'll know just how much effort went into making it. We hope you enjoyed this fascinating behind-the-scenes tour of the Mars factory. If you love learning about how your favorite foods are made, don't forget to subscribe for more in-depth looks at the world's most iconic snacks. Leave a comment below and tell us, what's your favorite layer of the Mars bar? We can't wait to hear from you.